Here I have VIVO IQOO Z5X, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just press combination power key plus volume down at the same time like this, and screenshot will be taken. So let me show you once again, power key, volume down, so easily. And one last time, volume down, power key. And that's how you take screenshots. You can find your screenshots in gallery, albums up, in the screenshots album, and here they are. And from here you can share, edit, delete your screenshots or perform any other action from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.